Hi, this is my demo for, I guess, the progress report for the final project. So what I'm doing is kind of creating like a Minecraft duplicate, at least as much as I can. I still have a long way to go, but here are kind of some of the basics. So what I have here is kind of just like a little block of, I guess, a bunch of blocks, but generated into kind of a terrain. And this right here is not going to be the final product. I mean, obviously, but even this implementation, it's kind of just to give me a base so that I could figure out kind of what you're seeing right now, like getting the camera position right and some like collision detection so that I can walk around the blocks, and then there's jumping. But a lot of things need to be fine-tuned still, and eventually, well, I guess the next step would be to do chunk generation so that I could get chunks like this, but you know, spawning infinitely so that it, kind of creates an infinite world. And then of course after that, I will need to implement some ray tracing of some kind so that wherever the camera is, I'll make a cursor. Um, I can look at a block and I'll be able to figure out which block I'm looking at, and so then I can select it and I can destroy it, or I could build a block where I'm looking. And also I'll add textures, and that's pretty much the roadmap from here on out. And anything past that um, will kind of be extra embellishments. Maybe I'll do trees, I don't know. We'll see if there's time for that. But yeah, so this is just an update. Thanks for watching.